The Northeast region is not far behind the rest of the country when it comes to growth in real estate sector. Assam, especially Guwahati, is fast emerging as an investment hotspot with a growing demand for real estate, resulting in huge expansion in both commercial and residential complexes. We take a look.
Guwahati city in Assam is a growing hub for trade and commerce activity in the northeast, and this has opened up new vistas for the real estate industry. Shopping malls, showrooms, apartments and hotels, the changing face of the city has made it a favorite destination for investors. Real estate developers are venturing into the city to tap the potential. In recent years, the city, like most of the other bigger cities in the country, has witnessed a sharp rise in the demand for flats, both for residential and commercial purpose.
गुवाहाटी में फ्लैट का डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा है क्योंकि उसमें लैंड अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है, इसलिए फ्लैट का डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा है। लेकिन अदर पार्ट्स इन असम, जो असम को जो अलग जगह है जैसे डिब्रूगढ़, तिनसुकिया, जोरहाट, इसमें इंडिविजुअल हाउसिंग जो कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी ज़्यादा है। तो गुवाहाटी में फ्लैट का डिमांड इज़ वेरी हाई क्योंकि नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न में गुवाहाटी का गेटवे है, इसीलिए हर तरह का आदमी नॉर्थ ईस्ट का पूरा गुवाहाटी में आते हैं, वो लोग आगे यहाँ इकट्ठा होते हैं, यहाँ में घर बनाते हैं। तो फ्लैट का डिमांड इज़ वेरी हाई इन गुवाहाटी।
A large number of real estate developers, including from abroad, are eyeing to develop housing and commercial infrastructure in Assam. They participated in a recently concluded 4-day-long reality summit. Organized by the Assam Real Estate and Infrastructure Developers Association, it invited experts from various infrastructure development-related fields to discuss a wide range of issues. The exhibition gave a chance to the public to know about the various housing projects and home development items, beside a chance to avail loans from a number of banks.
We will take care of the entire northeast. We have started with Guwahati right now. Guwahati is the biggest market for this right now, and then we'll go slowly to Meghalaya and other parts of northeast. So depending on the requirement and the need.
Potential is very good because the Guwahati city is the gateway of other northeastern states, and here the city is developing nowadays. Development is due to infrastructure only. So for that case, we are here. We will provide the finance and the city will develop.
A gradual decline in insurgency-related activities over the past few years has given impetus to socio-economic growth and infrastructure development. The real estate market is one among the many sectors that are witnessing tremendous growth in the Northeast region.